Who are you? And what are you about? If you can't answer those questions, or you can't answer them simple and quick enough, then
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
you don't have a brand, or your current brand is just not strong enough. I'm 1ceStream. I'm not a big time streamer yet. However, I've built a 4,500 following base on Twitch in 6 months, 1,300 following base on Trovo, and I've also bagged myself a full sponsorship, and I've been provided a full streaming PC, gaming PC from a company called PC Shack in the UK. Shout out! And I earn enough money to pay for a commercial studio so I can stream from it, hold events with cash prizes, and continuously upgrade my equipment so I can carry on providing you guys high quality, epic entertainment production. I'd say it's not too bad considering I started from scratch. Didn't have any previous following base. I wasn't on YouTube, I wasn't on Instagram, nothing at all. I started from scratch, 100% organic growth from zero. I just want to share my experiences, what I did, what my game plan is, what I'm still doing to achieve my main, my number one, my only goal. To become the most entertaining streamer in the world. On a serious note, this video is more aimed towards serious streamers, those streamers who want to make a career out of this or are lost about what branding is, where to start, how to improve on things, as opposed to, you know, the just for fun casual streamers. I don't know, maybe help someone level up, help remind someone of their forgotten plans, maybe help inspire, you know, casual streamers, just for fun streamers to go pro, or just generally give new ideas out. If you find this video helpful, please consider dropping a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button and be the first to know when I drop a new video. Let's go. The question that I think you need to ask first is, why stream? Is it just for pure fun? You want to just go online, play with some friends, have a little laugh, or maybe make a career out of it, make lots of money playing video games? Or you want to turn it into a side hustle, I don't know, play some video games, earn a little money here and there, get yourself a McDonald's. One thing that I need to really point out though, guys, there is absolutely nothing wrong with streaming for money. Just be honest to yourself. But in my opinion, I think you should give back where you take from. Look, time is precious. Time is money. It does deserve a little bit of return on investment. So yeah, if you're more serious about your streaming, then continue watching the video. But even if not, just watch it anyway. Why not? So what is branding? People will often tell you that branding is you. Well, yeah, it's true. Branding is you, but what the hell does that mean? Like, who is you?
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Simply put, branding is literally just a collection of things that helps identify someone or something. That is it. So yeah, who are you? What do you represent? What are you about? And how do you want to be remembered? I'm 1ceStream. I'm your #1 dancing entertainer streamer. I aim to be fun, and my streams are always hyped up, jacked up on adrenaline and high energy levels. And my mission is to always be highly entertaining. And also, don't forget, your streaming character does not need to be your personality in real life. I'll give you a few examples, right? Dr. Disrespect.
How do we turn off notifications?
Over the top. Highly obnoxious. Red, mullet, mustache, shades. That's the dog. And then you've got Shroud. Opposite of Dr. Disrespect. Timid, chill, very humble, godly gaming skills. And to give you guys a personal example, I'm 1ceStream. I dance live on cam. I make dance video productions. I'm always hella hyped. I'm super loud. I'm idiotic. I am never serious. I'm always smiling. All these information, all these attributes that I'm giving you guys, the dark Shroud myself, that's what branding is. Alright, next up, visuals. This topic actually covers quite a lot on its own because this is one of the main things in how you show people what you're about. First up, the logo. It's pretty much the first thing that you want to create as soon as you think about creating content. The logo is not the brand. It is just a visual representation of the brand, a quick glimpse or a teaser of the brand. It is seen first often in places like Friends List. It is seen more often in places like Chatbox, Friends List, Discord, but it can never ever fully express your brand. So logo creation does not mean brand creation. So speaking of logo creation, when you create your logo or when you think about creating your logo, be unique, be different, most of all, be your ideas. Another thing to think about is your competition. So grab all the logos from your competition. Those are people that stream the same thing as you or things as you. Get all their logos in Microsoft Paint or whatever and just think, all right, so if I'm going to put my logo over there somewhere, how would I make it stand out? How would I draw someone's attentions directly to my logo first? To give you guys a personal example, mine only has a simple 2-color scheme, black and white. Simple but striking. And then we have the cone for the Coneheads community, the ice cream as a whole, obviously. We got the Twitch face, we got a YouTube play button as a collar, and last but not the least, a mischievous face, which represents my personality. Fonts, pick 2, 3 max and use it across the board on your overlays in Discord, everywhere else. Keep it uniform. The fun part, emotes. Keep this personable. It's pretty much got the same values as your logo. Create it yourself, or maybe get your community involved in sending you pics or sending you screenshots of certain things that they want turning into an emote. Then you've got your overlays, your main shop front visuals. Keep things uniformed. Color scheme, fonts, your logo, everything else, the way that you lay things out, keep them all uniform. Because this is the thing that people are going to see every single time you stream online. Social media platforms, again, keep this uniform. Use the same colors as your overlays. Use the same design as your overlays. Put your logo in there somewhere. You want to match everything across the board to keep a strong, uniform brand consistency. Choose your audience. Age. This is actually quite a big one to consider because, for example, going 18 plus could potentially cut down your viewer count quite considerably. There's lots of pros and cons between going 18 plus or going PG or going 16 plus, so on and so forth. So it's up to you to decide who you want to cater for. Target location, countries, continents, time zones. Choosing the target location / time zone is also one of the most important things to do when you choose your audience. This will help you identify when is the best time for you to be going live. Also, this could help you figure out how and where you're going to get your sponsors from, which I'll cover in a completely different video. Culture or relatable group. Some people are watched because some people actually can relate to that person on the screen, or they wish they could do what someone similar to them is doing right now. I'll give you guys 2 strong examples within the Call of Duty mobile gaming category. iSplinter. He's a full-time worker, he's a dad, and he's also a streamer who is doing incredibly well. Then we have Mod6 and Live619, both army veterans. The amount of people that come into Mod6 and Live619 stream and start talking about their battalion numbers and ranks and tours and stuff like that, those are the kind of people that are most likely to keep returning to your streams because they have a common thing with you. Verbal theme. This is literally how you speak with your audience. Your volume and your tonality. Are you going to be someone who's super loud like I am? Or are you going to be someone who's really chilled? Are you going to be someone who likes to swear a lot? Which brings me to my next point. Profanity. It's entirely up to you if you're going to swear in your streams, if you're going to allow swearing on your streams. Personally, I do because it kind of comes natural to me when I speak in real life.
No! You son of a...
But this has to match the age of the audience you choose. Some sponsors don't like swearing on stream. It gives them less audience reach, and to some sponsors, it goes against their brand values. Catchphrases. Make some memorable ones. Make some funny ones. Make some memorable and funny ones. This basically has the same effect as your logo. For me, I've got a few things like plebs, come get some sugar, the best, and get ready! Make some catchy ones. Even make some with your community. Hey yo, you liking the video so far? You think this is informative? You think people can learn from this? If you do, then please consider dropping a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos in the future. Now, are you ready for the most important thing in branding? There are a lot of very important topics within branding, but I think this is the one that should stand out the most because this is the thing that teaches you how to stand out the most. It's called a USP, unique selling point. These are the things that make you different from the rest. I stream mainly Call of Duty Mobile, so I'll give you guys a couple of very strong brands within my game category. COD Narco and his incredibly memorable and iconic YouTube video intro.
You may be expecting someone to introduce me, but I'm not like all the other guys.
Wixon, #1 BR player in North American region. His streams give you an insight into what it's like playing as a #1 player in his region.
Hey guys, I'm me. Alright, so as you guys see right here, like when I push this, I'm not ready, I'm not pushing up, right? I'm waiting for my team, I'm looking at my map, right? That's the main thing about comp. You have to always look at your map and find out where your team is before you guys actually make a push and try to do something on your own.
Not only that, he also gives very detailed and informative tips as he plays the game. That's how good a guy is. And he is very serious about his brand. I once typed, "Hey yo, what's up son?" on chat with capital S, lowercase u, lowercase n. And immediately, man's corrected me. "Hey yo, Ice, please call me capital S, lowercase u, capital N." Rightfully so, because that is a part of his brand. That is his brand. How about a couple of incredibly successful content creators in general? Mr. Beast, for example, spends insane amount of money doing insane things so people can watch them on YouTube. He gives away $200,000 to people who lost their jobs. He bought everything from 5 stores. He spent like millions of dollars in zombies and put it in swimming pool. I might be wrong with that one. I don't really remember everything that he's done. That's his brand. That's also his unique selling point. And then we got PewDiePie. Pewds! He is one of the first guys to ever blow up as a content creator anywhere in the world. He's probably one of the main reasons as to why YouTube blew up in the first place. And what did he do? All he did was just scream and shout and be stupid as he plays games. What are you doing? Get me out of here! And people absolutely loved that. And that's what set him different from all the rest. It's just the way that he was and how he was always screaming. Again, that's his brand. That's his unique selling point. And as a personal example, I 1ceStream. And I'm pretty sure that everyone that knows me will tell you that I am the streamer that dances for his viewers. We get 5 wins, I'll get up and dance. I also create high production dance videos. That's what makes me different. That's my unique selling point. There are a bazillion streamers out there. What makes you unique? Make it clear. What makes you different from the rest? Why should someone watch you instead of the guy next door? And last but certainly not the least, schedule. It is incredibly important for people to know where they can find you and when. Try and create a schedule if you can. Creating a schedule does not mean creating 5 days a week of streaming, 8 hours a day. No. A schedule is just a set time for a specific period. That is it. 2 hours on a Tuesday, that's cool. 2 hours on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's cool. 9 hours a day, 7 days a week, that's also cool. It's all the same thing. Just create a schedule. Why? You could actually become a part of someone's daily routine. Trust me, sometimes when I suddenly don't stream the next day, people message me and say, "Yo, are you gonna stream today? Where are you? You're late for your stream." It actually brings a really warm feeling in my heart that people are looking for me. It makes you look professional. It saves you time, which is the most valuable resource on this planet. It also helps towards goal setting. Work towards something. Set priorities. Create events. Goals are incredibly important as a part of growth. Otherwise, what the hell are you working for? But also make sure that you speak to your friends and family and loved ones about your schedule. And you've got to help them understand what you're about to do and how much time it's going to take away from them for streaming. And it could help you avoid being burnt out, which is the #1 most prolific content creator juice killer in the world. Make sure you have a nice, healthy life, family, streaming balance. These are things that I planned before anything ever happened, before I ever went live. These are things that I did to get me where I am today. And these are things that I am still doing as we speak. I hope this video has been, helpful for you guys, informative at least. Now I challenge you to help me help others by sharing it to them. Because it's not an easy thing to do to break down what your brand is. It's not an easy thing to do to set your brand. So please, if you think this video is going to be helpful for anyone, ping it across to them. And if you haven't done so already, maybe drop a follow on my streaming platform, which I'll drop the links for in description. That'll be absolutely amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for stopping by. Peace.